Hi everyone, welcome back to my space, and today we are learning another head wrap tutorial. Are you ready to do this with me? Stay around and watch the video till the end. Make sure you try it before your due day that you want to rock it, so it would have been mastered before then. So to do this, you need that material first. When you get it, the next thing to do is just to divide it, make one part very short and the other part longer. Is that clear? So you can see this right on my screen how I'm just doing it. Just follow the steps and try it out. Even yours can even come out more better than mine. Just give it a try. So you take the smaller and the longer part to the back and give it a knot. Once you are done with the knotting, you have only the longer part left. So the longer part you have left is going to be the one you'll be working with. No other one for support. So make sure you grab all the pleats before placing it on your head if pleating is not that easy for you to create. When you are done pleating, place it on your head as seen in this video. Later you go on to arrange it. You use your hand, or preferably as a learner, use a pin to secure that part. I use my hand to hold down before proceeding to the next stage. You make another pleat, fold it like that, and use your elastic band to hold it. Note you are making two of this. As you can see, I'm on the second one. So when you are done with the second part, you can use your cheek and shoulder to hold the S's, as no one is supporting you. So you proceed to the next stage by pulling out the pleated part at the top. When you're done pulling out the excess, you can see how I pulled. It really matters. That is angle to angle, one to the back and one to the front. Later you can stretch it around, direct it to wherever you want it will go because you have used elastic band. Now, working with the excess that we have, the first thing I do is to first use my office pin to secure the top with the stretch parts so that I'll be able to work freely with the excess to the back. So I take the excess to the back and use office pin to secure it. Now it is time to use my hand to beautify and touch all the touchable parts of the head wrap. Now I told you can stretch this to any direction of your choice, so I decided to stretch it forward and make the angles goes right and left. The back, I just stretch it backward, pick the two together and use my office pin to secure both together. Once I'm done with this, it is time for me to pick all angles and pin them down. You can see me demonstrating this in this video right now. All angles are pinned down. So when you are done with that, you just use your hand to adjust, and don't forget your pleated part. Use your hand to adjust it and make the pleat well aligned. Guys, I just feel I should use this method to explain this head wrap tutorial. What do you think? Is it a nice method to use? Using my words one by one, do you like it at all? So I can know which method you prefer for me to explain. Here is the final look of this head wrap, but before you go, don't forget to like this video, share, leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be seeing you next time.